NoteTrack has a built-in narrative system called NoteTrack. The NoteTrack owner, when he or she opens an event, at the top has a tab that says NoteTrack. Now, only the NoteTrack owner has this tab because it's in a protected environment, because some of the writing or dictation that the owner might do might not be something they want to share. They might want to look at it first. Now, you can see on this event that the principal or the leader went into the classroom doing a walkthrough, and they associated the event with two people, Curtis Baxter and Steve Abel, both made up names. When I click the NoteTrack icon, this gives the owner an opportunity to add a note. If I click Add Note, you can type in what the person saw, and let's pretend that Curtis, the teacher, was asleep. Then the owner goes ahead and declicks, if that's a word, Steve Abel. That means the note's only going to be associated with Curtis Baxter. And then they click Set. You could also do this on your phone when you're using the app, and you can dictate it instead of writing it. Now, to access the notes, there are a couple of ways. I can double-click the event, and I can click the quick link where it says Curtis Baxter. When I click that, it gives me some options. If I click NoteTrack Notes, it shows me all of my notes in descending order since the beginning of this school year. I could change the filter, and I could say, instead of showing me the notes for the current year, let's go all the way back to 2018 when I first hired this pretend person. By doing that, saying Get Notes, it's going to show me notes going back in time. Now, I can print the notes if I want to share them. Just by clicking the printer icon, it will convert it to a print view, and then you could print it if your computer's attached to a printer, of course. I can also convert these to Word by clicking the Word icon at the top. The reason I might want to do that is by converting it to Word, it makes it much easier to do the editing I might elect to do. I may have written some things or dictated things that I might not want to share. By doing this and using NoteTrack, it gives you a very quick and easy way to keep a narrative record of your work in addition to the mathematical record. So if I click the second link, Show Breakout of Time Spent graph, that shows me the time I've done walkthroughs in this person's room since the beginning of the school year. So now I'm into the dashboard. But really what NoteTrack is doing is it's giving a narrative picture of my work instead of a mathematical picture of my work. Another way of getting to NoteTrack notes is up at the top of your time track next to where it has the date. There's a printer icon, and next to it, if you're the owner of the time track, there'll be an icon that looks like a piece of paper with a green plus sign. When I click here, I can go ahead and select the notes for any individual or project I have, and I can get those notes, print them, or share them if I wish. Again, NoteTrack is in a protected part of TimeTrack by purpose or intent. That's to make sure that you think first about sharing something you've written or dictated before it's actually done. So NoteTrack is easy to use. You'll find that once you start using it, it becomes addictive because now you have a whole new area of information to be reflective about.